It's time to pack for Edinburgh. My flight is tomorrow afternoon. I have a few chores to do around the house, a few bits and pieces, and then it's packing. I have a long journey. I think it's about 5-6 hour flight into London, and then it's an overnight bus to Edinburgh, 8 to 9 hours. So that's going to be very interesting. But the good news is I am arriving pretty much the same time as my friend is landing from Toronto. We're going to be meeting together at the location where we'll be staying. And then it's really going to be a very chill day. We don't have any plans. We don't have any shows to see. I haven't seen her since May. It would be nice to just catch up, just walk around the city, absorb the atmosphere and get into the whole mood of the festival. Just feel the vibe. So let's pack. Considering I'm going for 2 weeks, I actually am not taking that much stuff. I know we're going to be doing a lot of walking and going from one venue to another. So really, we're going to be working, actually. I'm going to take this scarf just in case. It's really cold. It's raining pretty much for the next 10 days. One jacket, trench coat, and I have this raincoat, and that's it. I think it should be enough. 2:30 in the morning and we are halfway through. We stopped for a half an hour break and it's tiring. Look at this view, it's so gorgeous. Good morning, it's 8:20. I'm in Edinburgh. Look at this view behind me, a little mountain or a hill. It's so beautiful. Actually, the weather is so nice. I think it's about 17 degrees at the minute. It's quite chilly in the shade, but it's quite lovely in the sun. Anyway, I'm just wearing my linen shirt. I went to the house we were supposed to stay, and apparently it was the wrong house. Poor man thought I was some weird lady. I just walked for 10 minutes to another location. I'm just waiting for the host to come and show me where the house is, but at the minute I'm just standing on the street with my bags waiting. Hopefully it's all going to be fine. I'm sure it's all going to be fine. I just really need the toilet. I have time now to update you guys. I had a long flight from Kuwait to London, 6.5 hours, which felt longer. And then I had to walk about 20 minutes, take the train, take like multiple escalators to get to the bus stop. So I landed at Terminal 4 and the bus stop is in Terminal 2 and 3. So that was a long journey. Had a bit of snack there, coffee, and then a 9.5 hour journey overnight into Edinburgh. I made it. So I'm not even bothered about this whole accommodation situation. I'm just happy to be here. It's super, the weather is just so pleasant. It's such a lovely street, and people, some people, I just walked into another house. I thought, because there was a lady who was waving at me, and I thought maybe that was the lady that is hosting us. And then she's like, oh no, I thought, yeah, I thought you were looking for something, and I thought maybe I can help you. A wrong house again. So I'm basically walking into people's houses, and I just love this street. It's so cute, it's so clean, people are so friendly. Scottish people are just so friendly. Everyone has been extremely helpful, just so nice. And this is my first time here. I don't know why I never made it. Could have just taken the train. I made it into the house. And apparently the man has been in the house since the morning waiting for me. Anyway, I made it. It's super, super cute house. A very tiny 1-bedroom house with a living room, kitchen and a bathroom. But it's got all the essentials. But what I love about this house is it's full of character. It feels very lived in. I can't really show you the entire house, of course, just to be respectful to the owners. I showered, I unpacked all my things. Oh, by the way, my friend was supposed to be here at 7:20. Her flight got delayed by 4 hours, so she should be here in the next hour or two. I have a little bit of time to edit. Young Marlon Brando. Look how cute this is. I don't know what this is. Oh, these are monkeys. I see no evil. I hear no evil. I speak no evil. Look at this cute laughing Buddha. Very beautiful. I love all these pieces. Some more. I love all these artsy pieces. Federico Fellini. Oh, Marcello Mastroianni. Okay. Just noticed that. That's cool. So that's where we're going to be staying for the next 2 weeks. I actually don't have a return flight. Initially, when I booked the return flight with Turkish Airlines, they cancelled my flight and I just managed to book one way. So I am going to see about that. But yeah, if you're new to this channel, welcome. I am in Edinburgh at the minute for the Fringe Festival. I'm going to be seeing all sorts of different shows. I'm going to be posting more videos about the Fringe. I'll see you guys in the next video.